Park, and it is February 16, 2020, week 5. So this lab is regarding measuring respiratory values at rest and during exercise. In the following exercise, I will estimate the amount of air breath at rest and after exercise by using a balloon. In addition, I will also estimate my lung capacity. So prior recording, I already have my values, so I had to use a stopwatch to measure for 30 seconds and count the number of times I would breathe in 30 seconds. So I did that already. In my first trial, I had 8, second 9, third 10, with an average of 9 breaths per minute. And the circumference of the balloon, my prior recordings for trial 1 is 33.5, 37, and 46.5. So to actually how to do that is I would have to stretch out the balloon. I would blow into the balloon and 1 full air into the balloon, and then I would measure it with a measuring tape in centimeters. So I would twist the balloon, I would measure it, and it would be 40.5, but like I said, I already had measured the circumference of the balloon already. Okay, so with the circumference of the balloon, the average I had 39. So that was 39. Okay. So to calculate the radius of the balloon, I had to take the average circumference, which was 6.21, and I had to divide it by 2 pi, which is 2 pi also, or 6.28, and the number of that average radius ended up becoming 6.21. Sorry. The circumference of the balloon was 39, and I had to divide it by 6.28, which the average is 6.21. So the tidal volume at rest, it's 4 pi r, or the radius r times to the third divided by 3, and so I came up with 1006.1. And to multiply the total volume at rest by the average number of breaths you take per minute, that is 1000, which was the total volume, 0.61 times the average of breaths per minute, which is 9, and I had to divide that by 1,000, which is 9-minute ventilation at rest liters per minute.